So.
Another drink with half and half? What are we making?
Fat in the belly.
Is this true, Derek?
Yes. I'm going home. Welcome to Combat Cocktails. What the hell are you? I don't want to know.
What?
Today,
this is from the last show.
We've got Dan,
Dave.
Ian, Dave, and that's Ian, Dave is one word, and Derek are going to show you how to make a brandy Alexander. Nope. We're going to show you how to make a bourbon Alexander because brandy's lame.
Yeah, she left fucking like 10 minutes ago.
Yeah, so this is going to be 1 ounce.
Rosemary or cranberries? What's going on here?
What? What are you asking?
Oh shit!
Nutmeg, cranberries, and a sprig of rosemary.
I don't know. Don't worry about that. We don't need fucking
garnishes.
garnishes.
This is a no garnish drink, by the way.
No garnishes on this drink. Anyway, 1 ounce of the following ingredients: bourbon, creme de cacao, and half and half. 1 egg white, dash of simple syrup, a dash of salt. We're gonna combine them all together, shake vigorously like you always would do. This one isn't a dry shake though. Apparently, it's just a regular shake, unless you want to dry shake it.
I mean, it makes sense, doesn't it?
Yeah. It makes sense to dry shake it. Anytime you put egg white in, you want to dry shake it.
Submitted by Diana. Diana, I won't say your last name because 2 reasons. I don't know if you want me to, and I don't know how to say it. It also says garnished with nutmeg, cranberries, and a sprig of rosemary. Fuck that!
We have nutmeg.
We do. We could do nutmeg.
Yeah.
This is... What, I mean, are you going to buy rosemary sprigs just to make one drink? That's dumb.
Just go to your garden and grab some.
Yeah, but rosemary...
It's wintertime!
But it gives you that scent, though.
Yeah,
That's
you know what?
the only thing.
That's the only thing. It's exactly right. Fuck it.
But if you're going to make it for a party...
It's an egg cocktail, so you're not even going to know... I mean, why do you want a scent? Like, rosemary, it doesn't taste anything like
It seems like a weird thing to have with eggs and cream, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Rosemary?
Yeah.
Oh, definitely. I don't know. I'm not the one that made the fucking recipe.
No, I'm just...
He agrees.
I'm just saying.
A comment. I'm just throwing it out.
I don't disagree with you.
The peanut gallery, let the peanuts discuss.
Yes. But rosemary does. I mean, some things that are fragrant, I mean, as garnishes also tend to...
But they should complement.
Add, yes, a complement to the drink.
Yeah, I just don't...
Maybe when we taste it, we'll be like, oh, this should really have some cranberries and rosemary to it.
Hey,
This is the Bourbon Alexander.
Yeah. I mean, the cranberries I don't really get.
I don't know. It's wintertime. People like cranberries in the winter.
I mean, that's just so it's just pretty.
Yeah.
I get that.
I mean, it would look pretty with cranberries and rosemary. Yeah. But you know what? CMC, we're not about pretty.
All right.
We're just about subscribers.
So, did we say what's in the drink?
I did.
You did?
Uh-huh.
You already went over all that?
I did.
Fuck, you're fast.
I know.
So you already talked about coupon codes and shit?
Holy shit.
Hold on.
That's because I was drinking the drink from the last show.
There you go. Steven said the rosemary, the idea of the rosemary for this drink is to garnish the chili Christmas tree. The cranberry for the red of Christmas.
Well,
so,
there you go.
You want to make it look like a Christmas... If you're that type of person that wants something to look like a Christmas tree, do it.
Steven's pretty smart, see?
He probably Googled it. Actually, he knows...
That's why we have help while we film the show.
Right.
So people tell us why we're doing things.
That's what I say.
Why not?
Coupon code is winter18. It's good until the end of January. You can save yourself 18% on awesomebricks.com where you get bitters, you can get simple syrups, you can get other types of flavored syrups, you can get bitters, you can get cherries, you can get glassware, you can get bartender starter kits, all stuff you need to like
That's good.
Get into bartending.
You need the right stuff, right?
You could do like Jen's mom did and go on and buy it someplace else and then not buy it from us.
You don't want a shaker that has like the top on it. Because
that's what she bought, yeah.
It's fucking stupid.
And
it's awesome. You shake it like 4 times, it works, and then like the 5th time, that goddamn thing gets stuck.
But at the same time, I sell those too because they sell really well.
Because people like them.
They're scared. They're scared of a Boston shaker.
Well, if people don't know any different, the cobbler shaker seems like a good
I can't
solution.
see how this is gonna. Wow, you did it. There's no garnish on there, but that's fine.
What would you like me to put on?
Well, there was the nutmeg.
I'm missing rosemary.
No, I you know what? Don't put the nutmeg.
So usually you put rosemary and cranberry to make it look like a Christmas tree.
And you could put nutmeg, but the problem is with nutmeg.
Oh, nutmeg.
Nutmeg makes everything. Doesn't it make it chalky? Isn't that what's doing that?
No.
You think that was the trick itself?
Yeah, no, the cream and shit makes it chalky.
I find that nutmeg makes things sometimes, not on a painkiller, but sometimes it makes them a little like you're tasting wood.
You can get an autographed shaker from Derek if you order from CMC,
or from me, autograph shaker,
or from me, or all 3 of us.
It will just never put it in the washing
machine. My
machine.
autograph usually consists of pissing on things, so don't order that.
Jesus.
I'm trying to make a tipsy bartender cocktail.
What? Oh yeah, he did that, didn't he?
You peed in something?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then he drank it.
Yeah. They boil down their urine and make a drink.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Gets the
That's
views.
terrible.
Tasting wood.
Actually, it got a lot of thumbs down. That didn't
That didn't help them out very well.
No.
Generated a lot of buzz, though.
Yeah. Speaking of buzz, subscribe to the show. Click the like
Oh,
button.
it's good.
Generate the buzz yourself.
Yeah. Help
Be-
us generate the buzz.
Be the buzz.
Tweet us. We have a
It's
Discord
almost a
channel.
little bit like a.
If you wanna go to
nutmeg.
our Discord
A nutmeg,
Eggnog.
eggnog.
With the chocolate in there, yeah.
Yeah.
Chocolate? Oh, that's that flavor.
Yeah.
I was like, wow, I don't know how the bourbon's getting that chocolatey nuance, but yeah, I guess if you added chocolate,
If you add an ounce of creme de cacao, it's going to happen.
it's not as much.
It's usually
chocolate,
good
though.
when you
It's not
know
a
what's
lot,
in
no.
your drink, but you know you can always taste it.
Yeah. What?
Yeah.
It's a chocolatey bourbon.
Well, it's not as much chocolate as I would have thought.
No, it's for a creme de a drink with an ounce of creme de cacao. It's
Yeah.
only like 3 ounces by itself.
Yeah. It's a weak
is
drink.
Weak on the chocolate flavor.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
is more
It's a
dessert
bad.
than get a lot of alcohol bite out of it. Like
Yeah.
this is a dessert drink. Like let's add cream to something and we'll throw some alcohol in there and some sugar. Boom.
Yeah.
You're never gonna run. That's how the
It's mostly
Alexander
sugar
works.
anyway, right?
Yeah, it's probably just
It's 15%.
15% sugar. No, it's probably
More than
50%
that.
alcohol, 40% sugar. Woo! Actually, it can't be that much because it would crystallize by now. But it's
Have
got
you
to be
seen the
filled.
top?
Oh shit.
It's a little-
That's just me not.
Dry.
That's just me not cleaning. That's just my
You
unsanitary.
know,
Well, you do have 500
we're
bottles.
discovering
Yeah.
all sorts of stuff as we make these shows.
Yeah.
Everything's.
Everything kind of blurs together.
We learn.
And it's been around for a long time.
It's good. We
not-
just show you that you can drink this shit and you won't die
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
from that. At
Stay
least.
tuned for next month's live stream.
Yeah,
If you really want to find out.
This recipe is created
Dave
by
will be on because we won't be here.
This is Monica Wolf's
Note to
recipe, by
self,
the
meet a
way.
Dave in the next month.
Yeah.
Shit, on the to-do list. Somebody's gonna have to take over for us.
Yeah.
You just create your own channel and say it's
Damn
us.
it.
You can use our title cards. We'll be good. The other things I wanted
Diana's
to
got it.
say. Balls is our executive producer. I'm doing alphabetical order this
Balls,
month.
balls,
Balls.
balls.
Because
Like
alphabetical
that.
order is what. Actually, no, they're from new subscribers down. So, Bulls _ thank you for your support. You can go to patreon.com/CMC and click to generate some money for us so that all this effort we're putting in for these last 3 hours is not in vain. I guess.
That's all.
Yes.
It's all in vain.
It's all good.
It's all in vain.
It's all.
All right. We
Get
got
a
one
boss.
more drink to do for the month, or 2 months, or whatever we're doing. Sidebar for more videos. Down below, bartender starter kit where you can start becoming a bartender at home.
Do it.
Do it. Teach you how to drink.